Needles are the most important part of a sewing machine. On the Pfaff Quilt Expression 4.2 sewing machine, there is a fabulous pack of needles that come with this machine. There's all sorts of different kinds and sizes. But if you click right here where that little eye is in the top right corner of your YouTube video, that will take you to a playlist of needle videos to help you really master these. When you have the right needle for the thread you're using and all the fabric you're using, everything will work really well. And don't forget, after you put a new needle in, use your needle threader to check that it is high enough. If this doesn't line up, then we know we have a problem and we can fix it before we damage anything down inside the machine. So change your needle often. If there's any problem with your machine, that's the first thing I change, is I put a new needle in and clean out underneath the throat plate.